On its 20th anniversary, ARASIA continues to uphold its purpose to serve the region. This is ARASIA, the cooperative agreement for Arab states in Asia for research, development, and training related to science and technology. ARASIA is comprised of 10 state parties: Iraq, Jordan, Kuwait, Lebanon, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Syria, United Arab Emirates, and Yemen. ARASIA works with the International Atomic Energy Agency, or IAEA, to promote and coordinate activities for training, research, development, and applications of nuclear science and technology. The IAEA Technical Cooperation Program is its primary mechanism for transferring nuclear technology to its member states, helping them to address key developmental priorities in various areas that include health and nutrition, food and agriculture, water and environment, industrial applications, and nuclear knowledge development. In commemoration of 20 years, ARASIA celebrates how the agreement has helped improve lives and livelihoods in the region. Key management figures in ARASIA and the IAEA agree that ARASIA promotes the efficient and peaceful use of nuclear technologies for understanding, addressing, and resolving common challenges of the region, in line with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. IAEA Director General Rafael Mariano Grossi assures his commitment in assisting ARASIA's member states in broadening their capacity to use nuclear science and technology to address the demand for food security and climate change adaptation. The ARASIA Cooperative Agreement came into place in July 2002. ARASIA grew to 10 state parties and was managed by Chairman Professor Ibrahim Othman of the Atomic Energy Commission of Syria, followed by Dr. Bilal Insoli of the Lebanese Atomic Energy Commission. It has been supported by several focal persons from IAEA's Technical Cooperation Division for Asia and the Pacific. Recently, to optimize the use of resources in the region, ARASIA designated regional resource centers to support important areas of collaboration, such as nuclear medicine and dosimetry and calibration. Now, ARASIA commemorates 2 decades of collaboration with the IAEA, highlighted in a joint publication, Breaking Through to Progress, as well as new achievements such as the establishment of the ARASIA Fund. Here are but a few success stories, highlighting the impact of ARASIA's technical cooperation program with the IAEA in the last 20 years. Addressing zero hunger, ARASIA worked on improving crop productivity with mutation induction, supportive breeding, and biotechnologies. Mutation induction techniques have been proved to be a valuable tool in developing drought, salinity, and disease-tolerant mutant lines of wheat and barley. ARASIA's projects contributed to enhancing the region's capacity to improve important food crops production of wheat, barley, lentils, and chickpeas. Artificial insemination, or AI, is proven to be an effective program to improve reproductive performance in sheep to spread strong genotypes. ARASIA worked with the IAEA to improve the reproductive and productive performance of local small ruminants by implementing reliable artificial insemination programs. Promoting good health and well-being, ARASIA and the IAEA strengthen nuclear medicine applications and upgraded medical physics services through education and training to help fighting non-communicable diseases. To build capacities for nuclear medicine professionals, ARASIA, with the support of IAEA, established the MSc program in medical physics. ARASIA also improved the diagnosis and treatment of cancer and inflammations with enhanced clinical applications of SPECT-CT and PET-CT in nuclear oncology and improved competency of medical or clinical staff. Complementing this progress, ARASIA worked to enhance capacity in dosimetry for medical exposure, developing the capacity of the secondary standards dosimetry labs in the region. ARASIA designated 3 regional resource centers which will collaborate to support with training of professionals in the region, as well as delivery of services relating to calibration and dosimetry, providing a model for South-to-South collaboration in this area. Addressing the common concern of air pollution, ARASIA state parties joined efforts in evaluating and mapping air pollutants using nuclear analytical techniques. Serious environmental degradation is observed in several countries where increasing respiratory system-related diseases have been attributed to environmental pollution. ARASIA's mapping of air pollutants supports taking measures to mitigate air pollution and its effects. ARASIA also collaborates with IAEA on clean water and sanitation by using environmental isotopes and natural radioactivity in the assessment and management of groundwater resources. ARASIA established laboratory infrastructures, provided training to technical staff in performing water analyses using nuclear analytic techniques, and created a regional database for decision-making on water resource management. Moving on to energy, ARASIA fostered affordable and clean energy by supporting strategic planning to meet future energy needs. Joining efforts with the IAEA through technical cooperation to assess technical solutions related to energy and water supply and associated environmental impacts, and to boost the economic integration of ARASIA countries. ARASIA also enhanced the utilization of nuclear analytical techniques for industrial and archaeological applications. This supported large-scale campaigns of archaeological excavations through dating with radiocarbon or other nuclear techniques, such as thermoluminescence and optical stimulated luminescence dating. ARASIA continues enhancing its capabilities in this area with support from the IAEA. Working to address climate action, ARASIA targets crucial issues pertaining to the SDGs on life below water and life on land. ARASIA enhanced the sustainability of marine coastal environment through upgrading regional capability to assess marine contaminants, and promoted the peaceful use of nuclear techniques to combat desertification and enhance the use of salt-affected soils and saline water for crop and biomass production. Recognizing the importance of marine resources and coastal environment to the state parties, ARASIA countries continue to collaborate on promoting the sustainability of marine coastal environment with the safe application of nuclear techniques. In this context, the IAEA also supported ARASIA with climate-smart agriculture to improve crop production through integrated soil, water, and nutrient management practices. ARASIA endeavors to establish and promote regional integration. Through technical cooperation, ARASIA state parties developed and enhanced their technical and human resource capacities through sharing expertise and providing trainings in the peaceful uses of nuclear techniques. ARASIA state parties enhanced their infrastructure and capacities related to the safe utilization of nuclear applications, but also to establish collaborative relations between the scientific institutions through designating regional resource centers to support the region. Gearing up to the next decade, ARASIA is working towards launching new projects that can achieve more ambitious results and benefit a wider range of people. ARASIA remains committed to its objectives and looks forward to achieving its main target of safe use of nuclear techniques to attain the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Looking ahead, through resource mobilization and outreach efforts, ARASIA and IAEA will continue working hand-in-hand towards more development in the next decade, enabling a clear breakthrough to progress. This is ARASIA.